Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is episode 348 of our Great Tour of the Famous series. In this episode, we return to St. Therese Columbari in Newport City and Pasay in search of notable individuals like our heroes, famous celebrities, musicians, politicians, athletes, and businessmen interred in this part of Metro Manila. Come, join us to remember, celebrate the life, and visit the final resting place of a pre-war and award-winning actress who appeared in many films for almost 50 years since the 1940s. Located in the middle of St. Therese Columbarium within the chapel section, we found the crypt where the urn of pre-war and award-winning actress Paraluman was inurned. Sigrid Sofia Agata de Torres von Gies, or popularly known in her screen name as Paraluman, was born on the 14th December 1923 in Tayabas, Quezon. She was a pre-war and award-winning actress who appeared in many films for almost 50 years since the 1940s. Paraluman grew up in Leberice Street in Manila and studied at Assumption Convent. Her mother, Tecla de Torres, was from Tayabas, Quezon, while her father, Lothar von Gies, was a German designer of iconic Bayview Hotel in Manila. Paraluman started her acting career before the war, where she appeared in 6 films produced in 1940 and 1941, including 1940, Flores de Mayo, starring Leopoldo Salcedo and Norma Blanca Flor, with Precioso Palma, where she used Mina de Gracia as her screen name in the film. 1941 Paraluman, her first starring role with Fernando Poe Sr. and Mona Lisa. And 1941 Bayani ng Buhay, also with Fernando Poe Sr. and Mona Lisa. Paraluman's acting career was halted because of World War II and the Japanese invasion of the Philippines. During the war, Paraluman fell in love with Yoshifumi Abe, a Japanese soldier in the propaganda movement, and the couple had a daughter, Kyoko, born as Cecil Christine Abe, or popularly known as Baby O'Brien, also an actress and TV host. After the war, Yoshifumi brought Paraluman and Kyoko when he returned to Japan. However, after a few years in Japan, Paraluman decided to go back to the Philippines with her child Kyoko. In 1947, Paraluman decided to revive her acting career and became a contract star for Sampaguita Pictures. Her first post-war film appearance was in the 1947 movie La Paloma with Fred Montilla and Lilian Leonardo. Few years after she returned from Japan, Paraluman married Captain Antonio Barreto O'Brien, a commercial pilot at Philippine Airlines. Many years after Captain O'Brien died, Paraluman married Brigido Sibug, a businessman involved in aviation industry. Paraluman had 90 film appearances as actress from 1940 to 1988. Her other film appearances include 1957 Hong Kong Holiday with Rick Rodrigo, Gloria Romero, Daisy Romualdez, and Dolphy.
I knew it! Hindi ba't ikaw ang sampanggal na binusan ko ng tubig? Pulas on! Hindi mo ba naisip na sila naliligaw ko sa pagtitipong ito? Ang ibig mong sabihin ay humahanap ka rito ng pasahero para sa iyong sampan? Hayaan mo na siyang umalis, total narito naman ako. You really mean that? Bakit? What's wrong with me now? So you don't like me? Well, neither do I. After all, you're not the only fish in the ocean. Sige, habulin mo siya.
Hindi na ako maring makiharap sa kanya sapagkat maring niyang sabihin. Ako katulad mo.
1957 Sinong May Sala with Rogelio de la Rosa, Gloria Romero, Rick Rodrigo, Luis Gonzalez, Susan Roses, and Romeo Vasquez, where she won the Best Actress in the 1958 FAMAS Awards.
Ay, higit ang pagkakasala ko kay Bobby. Sapagkat akong kauna-unahang sumugat sa kanyang murang puso. Minahal. Ngunit sa halip, na ako'y maging karapat-dapat sa batas niyang pagtingin. Ako pa ang nagbigay sa kanya ng kahihiyan. Ako ang dapat Umangkin ang parusa kung meron man.
1959, Surrender Hell, an international film release starring Keith Ants and Susan Cabot.
Bruno, what happened?
They would have caught me if he hadn't.
The fight in his hands.
Thanks for everything, Don. For giving a chance to revenge against James. And some of your love. Starting out, I must leave for a party. I must.
Be careful. Good luck.
Yes, sir. Don.
But
Goodbye. Goodbye, Don.
1969, Stony, an international film release starring Barbara Boucher with Leopoldo Salcedo and Vic Diaz.
How do you do? I'm Margaret Suwano. Would you like to go upstairs to your room? I hope you'll be comfortable. If you care, Suko can show you.
'85, Hello Lover, Goodbye Friend, starring Alma Moreno, Lorna Tolentino, Maria Isabel Lopez, and Alona Alegre with Rosemary Hill.
Come on, Lotta. Tell me. Sinong lalaki? Come on, Rita. What makes you think there's a man? Dear sister, remember, that was 30 years ago. Ikaw, ako, si Mario at si Ray. Nawala kayo ni Mario noon, di ba? My God, Rita. Ano ba nangyari?
Alam mo naman ang trabaho ni Joselito, hindi physical.
Para sa akin, you did right. After all, tao ka lamang.
Ano?
Anyway, bata pa ba siya? Gwapo? Malaki ba? You know, matangkad.
Pwede ba? Huwag na natin siyang pag-usapan.
Well, simple. Umuwi ka. Just act natural. Wala na yan bukas.
Her last appearance was in the 1988 movie Isusumbong Kita sa Diyos, starring Joel Torre, Ricky Davao, and Jackie Lu Blanco.
Kung ganun man ang mangyari, hinayaan niyo nang siya magpasya sa kanyang sarili. Ang pusong umiibig, di nakikinig sa pangaral at di napipigilan. Hindi ako katulad ninyo. Bukal sa loob ng pumasok dito sa monasteryo. Sinikap ko. Ngunit napakahirap. Ayokong madanas pa nilalaya.
Paraluman died of cardiac arrest on the 27th April 2009 at the age of 85. In the next episodes, we will post the video of the continuation of our visit of Manila North Cemetery and libingan ng mga bayani in Taguig. Later in this channel, we will also post more grave tour videos, including Manila Memorial Park and Loyola Memorial Park in Parañaque. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like my channel. See you in our next grave tour of the famous episodes.